Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which website publishers in the Google network of content sites serve text, images, video, or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content and audience. These advertisements are administered, sorted, and maintained by Google.
History of Google AdSense. Google dispatched its AdSense program, initially named Content, focusing on promoting in March 2003. The AdSense name was initially utilized by Applied Semantics, a serious contribution to AdSense. The name was received by Google after Google gained Applied Semantics in April 2003. 12. Some promoters whined that AdSense yielded more regrettable outcomes than Google Ads, since it served advertisements that related relevantly to the substance on a website page and that substance was less inclined to be identified with a client's business wants than query items. For instance, somebody perusing a blog devoted to blossoms was less inclined to be keen on requesting blossoms than somebody looking for terms identified with blossoms. Thus, in 2004 Google permitted its publicists to quit the AdSense network.
𝗕𝗏𝗡𝗘, the author of Gmail, had the plan to run advertisements inside Google's email administration. However, he and others say it was 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐞𝐬𝐬, with the sponsorship of Sergey Brin, who coordinated the group that adjusted that thought into a tremendously fruitful product. By mid-2005 AdSense represented an expected 15% of Google's all-out revenues. In 2009, Google AdSense declared that it would now offer new highlights, including the capacity to empower various organizations to show promotions. In February 2010, Google AdSense began utilizing search history in logical coordinating to offer more pertinent ads. On January 21, 2014, Google AdSense dispatched direct campaigns, an instrument where distributors may straightforwardly sell promotions. This component was resigned on February 10, 2015.
Types of Google AdSense content link units. Video search feeds. Mobile content.
Domains. The content-based advertisements can be targeted at users with certain interests or contexts. The targeting can be CPC, cost per click, or CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions based. The only significant difference in CPC and CPM is that with CPC targeting, earnings are based on clicks, while CPM earnings recently are actually based not just per views impression but on a larger scale, per 1,000 impressions, therefore driving it from the market, which makes CPC ads more common.
AdSense for video permits distributors with video content, e.g., video facilitating sites, to produce income utilizing advertisement situations from Google's broad promoting network. The distributor can choose what kind of promotions appear with their video stock. Organizations accessible incorporate straight video promotions, pre-roll or post-move, overlay advertisements that show AdSense text and show advertisements over the video content, and the True View format. Publishers can likewise show partner advertisements, show advertisements that run close by video content external to the player. AdSense for video is for distributors running video content inside a player and not for YouTube distributors.